Hello and welcome to the tutorial for the sound activated flash trigger. As you see here are the dimensions of the flash trigger on the right and on the left. On the right side of the trigger, there's the on and off switch. You can flip up and down to turn it off and on. And also a microphone jack for external microphone input. On the face of the trigger, there's an internal microphone and an indicator which will light up if the trigger recognizes a sound. On the left side of the trigger, there's a dial which you can turn all the way to the left for minimum sensitivity and all the way to the right for maximum sensitivity. During minimum, it is difficult for the trigger to recognize a sound. On the maximum setting, the trigger is very sensitive to the sound it receives. So you can mix that up to the setting that you want. And also there's a jack to connect it to the flash that you're going to use. On the face, there are 3 buttons. The right, the enter button, and the left button, which you toggle. And there's the screen, the LCD screen, which will show all the information and the settings that you will need. The settings that we will discuss in part 2 of the tutorial.